The end is here and it's real. Apple's everything, their strategy, design, and even software, all of it is finally changing to an entirely new direction. We've seen the leaks regarding Apple's biggest iPhone design change of last 6 years, and with today's leak, it seems like this is really happening. This is our first look at the design of the iPhone 17 series based on the factory CAD information, and you can see that the big change is indeed coming. So starting with the iPhone 17 Pro series, the camera island is indeed getting pretty big all the way to the edges, with flash and the LiDAR scanner now moved to the right hand side, while still retaining the iconic fidget spinner look that Apple has built for quite some time. And then the iPhone 17 Air that's getting that horizontal camera bump, which is Apple's decision to support this incredibly thin design. And finally, the iPhone 17 retaining that last year's iPhone 16 look. So it is real and it is happening. We've got several different renders showing how this could look in real life. I think that variation looks cleaner, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, apart from the design change with the iPhone 17 series, Apple is also bringing a very important change that could set a new direction for the company. This one is an even more significant change of perhaps last 10 years. We'll talk about it right after this. Don't be this guy and break your screen, or these folks who also made the same mistake. Introducing Smart Devil Screen Protector, which is your ultimate solution for a flawless phone experience. Yes, say goodbye to the installation hassle with a quick and easy, dust-free and bubble-free attachment you pretty much set in seconds. It's tested to international military standards, which includes over 10,000 scratch tests, 220 pounds impacts, and 8-foot drops. Smart Devil represents the pinnacle of strength, toughness, and durability. With great touch sensitivity, which is exactly like your original screen, plus a fine oleophobic coating, resists oils, fingerprints, and daily wear. Always remember, glass is glass and glass breaks, so it's time to use your phone with confidence thanks to Smart Devil protection. Upgrade your screen experience today by clicking the link in the description below. Alrighty, so back in 2013, Apple introduced their biggest software design change with iOS 7. It was iOS from a whole new perspective that pretty much sets the future even to this day until iOS 18. It's keeping that design identity. And well, that is also about to change with the iPhone 17 series. Yes, according to the most trusted Apple news source, Mark Gurman, he says that iOS 19 will introduce the biggest design change in iPhone history. It's going to be an entirely new design interface adopting its look from Vision OS. The whole design language, from settings to icons, windows, buttons, everything that makes iOS will change with the brand new iOS 19. There's even a leaked early look at the redesigned camera app, which is based on the Vision OS for the upcoming iOS 19. It actually looks really clean. Judging from just this, the fact that we have such a huge change with the camera UI, something that Apple takes very seriously, you can just imagine how big of a change it's really going to be all around. So the biggest iPhone design change is confirmed, the biggest software design change is also confirmed, and now their iPhone strategy change is also confirmed. And by that, I mean they're killing the iPhone Plus model for the sake of the iPhone 17 Air, and this is looking pretty good. Yes, the same trusted source, Mark Gurman, finally reveals some information regarding the iPhone 17 Air that's going to shock you. iPhone 17 Air is the beginning of a change in smartphone industry that soon other companies will also follow. Just like the removal of headphone jack back in 2016, Apple's next big direction is to remove the USB-C charging port from their phones to make the iPhone incredibly slim, and well, the iPhone 17 Air is the start of that. While the current iPhone 17 Air does have a USB-C port, for the future, according to Mark Gurman, Apple is planning to go full-on port-free. He also talked about the pricing of the iPhone 17 Air is set to roughly start at $900, which is pretty good, kind of similar to the price of the iPhone 16 Plus, meaning it's not really gonna be a $1,500 iPhone like we thought about before. Perhaps the most amazing thing about the iPhone 17 Air is that despite being record-breaking 5.3mm thin, It's supposed to have battery life that is on par with the current iPhones. That is actually insane because if you look at the battery performance of, let's say, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and my battery drain test, it was the best battery life I tested despite having the smallest battery of all the phones. Considering that, it's entirely possible that Apple iPhone 17 Air will have incredible battery life despite having a small battery. He further says that Apple is making some hardware and software level optimization to ensure the iPhone 17 Air is more power efficient. It's set to include a higher density battery, Apple's new efficient C1 5G modem, and of course a custom Apple A19 chip that is optimized for the iPhone 17 Air. Also, the iPhone 17 Air won't offer a physical SIM card slot, so it's gonna make the design even thinner than before. Honestly, if iPhone 17 Air delivers on incredible battery performance and all-around experience, this might actually be a big hit, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So there we go. It seems like for 2025, Apple is indeed going all out with their biggest changes all around, but not just with their hardware and iPhone strategy, but also with their software. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.